So it means that you will be signing a statement of faith. If you are a member of this church, it means you agree that that's what you believe. Because listen, a particular church, tayo ay nagsasama-sama dahil not only because we're second baptized, no? Dahil tayo ay naniniwala sa mga bagay-bagay, we have similarities in what we believe. Especially the doctrines. But again, there are some things that, for example, if you don't believe in election, that's actually fine, it's your life. Eh? You have soul liberty. You're free to believe what you believe, right? But, please believe what's written in the Bible. No? So, but again, ang doctrine of election is one of the most misunderstood doctrines. No? It's one of the most hated doctrines. Kasi nga naman, kung pumili ang Diyos, hindi parang unfair ang Diyos, di ba? Kung pumili ang Diyos, hindi parang may favoritism ang Diyos. Diba? Parang gano'n. Ito ang tanong, may favoritism ba ang Diyos? May favoritism ba ang Diyos? Does God has favoritism? Parang gano'n. Dahil ba siyang favoritism? Wala o meron? Sige, Nani, bakit meron? That's actually fun. Because of the foreknowledge of the Lord. Equal. Kaya may favoritism siya, parang gano'n. Wala. How about you, Nanay? Walang may favoritism. Bakit walang favoritism? Gusto ba niya? Yeah, kasi yun ang madaming tanong actually sa doctrines of election. But again, if you don't believe doctrine of election, that's actually perfectly fine. I will not be hating you, because I realize sa internet, because I added myself to those dun sa mga pages, yung like Arminianism versus Calvinism. I want to see the debate. So I realized na madaming Kristiyano, they fight each other because they disagree. Right? But it should not be the case. Right? Bakit? Kasi may mga bagay na hindi talaga tayo pagkakasundo. Eh. And that's an organization. Right? Pero kaya nga tayo nagsasama-sama dahil din may mga bagay tayong pinagkakasunduan. Tama ba rin? At yun na mas mahalaga. Yung mga bagay natin pinagkakasunduan. No? Kaysa doon sa mga bagay na hindi natin pinagkakasunduan. No? And I realize also, if you will be going to the internet, dahil may mga Kristiyanong hindi nagkakasundo sa iba't ibang doktrina, they are attacking each other. And that's really wrong. Why? Kaya nga, balay ko sa inyo na ikwento, no? Hindi ko kasi talaga maintindihan. No? Ako nag-dissertation. Lumapit ako, isa sa mga pinakamalaking school yun dito sa Laguna. Baptist Bible College. No? Isang Baptist na Bible College. At sabi nila sa akin, hindi nila ako tutulungan dahil ako daw ay sa Calvinist. At yung mentor ko daw, si Pastor Dan Ferrer, kilala nila si Pastor Dan Ferrer eh. Si Pastor Dan Ferrer, palagi nag-speak doon dati. Palaging, they really respect Pastor Dan Ferrer. And, so sabi sa akin, di mo ba alam yung issue? Pero di mo alam yung issue? Anong issue sabi? Na si Pastor Dan Ferrer ay isang Calvinist. Sabi ko, hindi naman tungkol, ang pinag-aaralan ko kasi, dissertation ko, ay tungkol sa management ng Bible School. No? Hindi ako nag-aaral tungkol sa doktrina ng Bible School. Sabi ko, hindi naman ito related doon sa pinagkaiba natin. Pero sabi nila, hindi kasi. So, hindi kasi magkaiba tayo. Sabi ko, someday, both of us will die. Sabi ko sa kanya, no? And if you die, we will be in the same place, right? And you're not telling me that you will not help me because we disagree with each other for a particular thing, right? 95% we can agree, right? 95% nag-agree tayo sa Baptist doctrine that Bible is the final authority, that there are two offices in the church, that there are two ordinances of the church, that there is soul liberty, that is there is the believer separation of church and state. 95% we agree, 99% we agree. And because of that 1% that we don't agree, hindi mo ako tutulungan. And I realized this also, that ang daming issue ganun. Ang dami, they don't help. For example, if you're a Calvinist, and you are a missionary in you're a Calvinist, no? They will not help you because you believe in the doctrines of election. That is happening right now. Nakakalungkot yun, no? For the 99% that we agree, they will not support me because I believe in the doctrines of election, which is clear in the Bible. Sabi ko, sa nakausap ko, natigalan ko na sabi ko, again, ang liwanag na may election sa Bible, right? Hindi siya makain sa akin. Liwanag na may election sa Bible, no? It's either you believe in election or you misinterpret the word election in the Bible. Because again, ang dami kong kilala nung ako nag-ikot nga, and I Bible School ako sa 29 Bible schools yun sa buong Calabarzon. No? Ang dami ko nakusap, they don't believe the same way as I do. Ang dami nila. But they help me. No? In the same way also, if people disagree with us, no? This particular belief, this particular doctrine, it doesn't mean they are evil. It doesn't mean that they are of the devil. Because they are your brothers and sisters. Right? Ito ba hindi ko maintindihan, no? Great missionaries in the past, great Christians in the past, believe in the doctrines of election. That's actually funny, like Spurgeon, no? William Carey is the father of modern missions. You know William Carey, di ba? William Carey is a very famous missionary. And he is a father of modern elections. And they believe in the doctrine of election. They don't actually call it the doctrine of election. They call it actually particular redemption during that time. So ang battle during the time of Spurgeon is particular Baptist and general Baptist. That's how they call it. I like it more, no? Ayaw ko nung tawag na Calvinist at Arminian. Why? Because I'm not a Calvinist. You're not a Calvinist also, no? But when people talk about Calvinism, that's actually fine. Because soteriology, when you study theology, Calvinism is actually about the 5 points that we studied. No? Pero sometimes they misnomer it like Calvinism, ibig sabihin hindi yan Baptist. Nakakatawa, I've known famous Christians who said that. I mean, not that famous really, but prominent Baptist. Ay, Calvinism hindi yan Baptist. Na, kung hindi Baptist ang Calvinist, then don't treat Spurgeon as a Baptist. No? Don't treat William Carey as a Baptist. No? Don't treat a lot of Christian, W. Tozer, a lot of Christians in the past, don't treat them as Baptist. No? Because they are Baptist and they believe in particular redemption. That's what we believe right now. So that's actually funny, no? Nakakalungkot that you will encounter that. I say this also that because you will encounter people who have different beliefs as you, right? You will encounter people that has different opinions that you have. So what will you do? What will be your attitude to? Kasi ito yung hindi nila maintindihan, no? If, for example, if you disagree with a particular topic mo, and nakita mo na hati ang Kristiyano in a particular topic, that great men believe this and great men believe also this, then you need to be careful to say that the other side is evil, right? Because both of them are good people. Good men disagree with each other, right? Good people disagree with each other. And that is fine. Because we believe in individual soul liberty, right? Kaya ka naniniwala tayo na Bible is the final authority, but sometimes Baptist, we don't practice it. Sometimes the pastor is the final authority, and which is totally wrong. I understand that pastors, like Pastor Jim is always preaching that he's right. I understand that pastor is very special. Leaders sometimes are misunderstood. Those are really true. No? Leaders sometimes are, minsan hindi sila naiintindihan. Those are really true, but they are not God. And they are not the Bible. Okay? But sometimes we Baptists, we act as if our leaders are the Bible. Right? Our leaders are the authorities. But they are not. They have authority. But their authority is to preach the Word of God in the church. That's their authority. Kaya sometimes, pinag-usapan namin ano ba yung pastoral authority? No? Sometimes we will be discussing that, but it's not our topic right now, right? Because ano ba ang extent ng pastoral authority? No? For example, pwede ba kayo diktahan ng pastor para sa mga personal lives nyo? Of course not, di ba? So pastors are not fathers. Sabi nga ng Bible, call no man your father upon the earth. Right? That's what the Bible said. Pero tayo mga Baptist, parang ang trato natin sa mga leader, parang tatay. Although wala namang problema yun, it's a personal relationship, you know. Pero for example, Pastor Jem is always preaching this, right? Pastor Jem, he cannot impose yung tatay mo ako sa pananampalataya. Yung tatay mo, it's not like that. Okay? So, it's not like that eh. So maybe, for example, you have a personal relationship with Pastor Jem, right? And it's very good. If Pastor Jem will treat you as his son and you will treat him as a father, it's a personal relationship. No? But no Baptist preacher, walang matinong Baptist preacher ang magsasabi that he is your spiritual father. Because your spiritual father is in heaven. Right? So Baptists are like that. I don't know if you attend other churches, no? So I attended many churches, and I see that, no? And that's actually funny, no? Funny to see. But again, the reason why I bring that up before we continue our time is very important. Yeah? Kasi the aisle is divided between good men here and good men there. So I should be careful, even if I am so sure with what I believe, with I believe in the doctrines of election. I need to be very careful to label them as evil because they are not evil. I know that they are wrong in what they believe. I can prove that in their faces if we have a discussion. I don't like actually debates. No? I don't like that, yung public debate, because you know, who will win? For example, if I debate with a particular preacher, who will win? No one will win. Magkatawanan lang tayo. No? But I like discussion, personal discussions. For example, if we disagree with each other, let's go outside and let's discuss our differences. But not for the audience of other people, no? Unless it's a panel discussion, sometimes we do that, right? In a panel discussion, it's a forum that we can disagree. But I mean, for the sake of debating, there's a lot. Nakikita ko mga friend ko kasi dahil nga nag-study, no? Mga friend ko sa Facebook ay mga pastor, no? Nakikita ko sila nagkakaroon ng debate. Ay, debate tayo, mga pastor yun, ha? Debate tayo, mali yung tinuturo mo, it's evil. It's evil. Maybe it's evil, but again, you should be very careful to label the people as evil because they are not evil, right? If they are your brothers and sisters and they don't believe the same as you do, they are still not evil. They are your brothers and sisters, right? Because we do mistakes, right? When nung naligtas ako, hindi naman lahat ng paniniwala ko agad ganito, di ba? And the same way as sa atin, sa kalagitnaan natin, ano? So, because we have differences, eh? And the good thing is, this is what I like, no? The good thing is, I may be wrong. Right? That's the good thing about life, eh? Maaring mali ako. I like that thought. Because maaring mali ako, no? And I like that because I can learn. Correct. And I can learn from other people, no? But I really don't like that. We don't want that to be our attitude. That, you know, we are election, you're not, and you're evil. No. Maybe they are totally wrong. It's really clear they are wrong. But they are not evil. Right? So let's not have that particular attitude. No? So again, that's the doctrine of election. Again, I just want to point out that's one of the most sacred doctrines. One of the most sacred doctrines. You cannot just imagine, no? Hindi ko maintindihan talaga, no? Ba't gano'n, no? So, they are really good men, both sides of the aisle, but they are attacking each other, no? Attacking each other personally. I saw that in Facebook, no? In Facebook pa, no? And very public, no? And I like this, for example, if you have differences, you can still be friends. I like that thought, no? We can have differences, and you will not attack me because I'm different. If you attack me personally, you go to me and let's discuss, diba? Let's rumble our thoughts, right? But you cannot just use Facebook or use other platforms, especially public platforms, to attack each other. Now, you can probably attack the argument. I like that. You attack the argument, but not the people. Okay? Don't label them as evil because they are not. They are working for the Lord. Right? And even if they don't allow me to be helped, hindi nila ako tinulungan nung aking dissertation. Isang school lang yun, 29 schools, no? Isang school lang. Even if they don't help me, they're still my brothers and sisters. No? And I can tell them in their face, and I told that preacher, I wasn't wrong. You're wrong. And that's actually fine. But talagang masama lang po actually nung panahon na yun. Kasi sabi, why will you do that to me? No? Why will you not help me? Because we're different. Sabi niya,